are going to show you how to install a hard roof on a CAT UTV. The installation is very simple. In the kit you have the large plastic hard shell, you have 4 brackets, you have 12 fasteners, nuts, and washers, and you only need 2 tools. You need a 10mm wrench or socket and a T30 Torx head tool with a power driver. The process is simple. You place the hard shell roof on top of the ROPS, you loosely assemble all hardware and get the bracket in place, loosely held by its 2 fasteners, and then you go around the ROPS and methodically tighten all 12 fasteners. It's best to start in the back with the 4 brackets. Once the 4 brackets are tightened across the back, you next move to loosely install the 4 fasteners across the front. With all 12 fasteners loosely installed, your next step is to take your 2 tools and start tightening the fasteners progressively, beginning with the 8 fasteners across the rear brackets. The last step is to tighten the 4 fasteners across the front of the roof. That concludes the hard roof installation. For additional questions, contact your participating UTV CAT dealer or visit us at cat.com.